let me give you a home tour before we mess it up. And yeah, this is the cupboard section. It's really cool to make your own coffee in the morning. And the usual studio room with a pretty good bathroom as well, as usual. Yes. And let's see the view. Okay, but pretty good.
ये सभी अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट का आप विजिट कर सकते हो और ये सभी पॉइंट में जाने के लिए स्टेशन में भी बस ग्राउंड से ही आपको बस मिल जाएगी।
So from Club Mahindra we had to drive for like 2.5 hours to reach the Statue of Unity, and it's right behind me. And there are two ways to come to this place. Like, of course, you either take a cab to this place, and then after you take the entry ticket, there is an option of an auto or a bus, or I think cabs too. We took the bus, which runs like every few minutes, and there are a lot of buses, and then after you reach the place you get down and explore, and then get into another bus and go to the next place. But we'll be exploring just one place today. But also one more thing is that Narmada Nadi mein raat ko sham ko there's an aarti like boat mein jaake, which we won't be able to experience today, but that is one thing that you can keep in mind and come accordingly. It's like around 7:30 p.m. गुजरात में की दुआ है।